couple laughed. Oh my god, that's scary. I'm scared off my sickest time.
Yeah. Maxime.
Oh. It's not my fault.
It's never
It's when you say this, Bruno. Can you do one more time?
That's your homepage.
No, can you do it just one more time? Just Bruno, like this.
Bruno!
Shit, I think I sweat more than in my accent. You know.
You're gonna kill me.
Here's water.
Oh. That's it. We'll never. We'll never come back here again. You realize this. There's no chance.
That's it.
That's
it. Here's water.
Bruno. Poor
Bruno.
Oh my God. Are you gonna? He's gonna have a dream now that he's drinking coffee with the giant pig.
Shamari's gonna have animations.
Yeah,
Bruno. No, when I say hello to you, I just say Bruno. That would be funny.
I know you're gonna train your penis. I know it. I just know.
You're gonna train it? Oh,
Bruno.
oh no.
Oh, you know.
She's gonna
Right, left, up, down.
Every morning, 4 o'clock, we get up Bruno.
Cold shower. Cold shower to start. 3 cold shower and we start. Just to wake up.
No, I think you can train
Can I
any part
ask
of
you?
the body.
I'm really sorry, but
Yeah.
You can train
Yeah.
yourself to do what you do. You can
okay, look,
train
I missed out on this movie. Who's Bruno? I'm just curious.